Hello there, welcome to another video of SwiftCat. In this video, I just want to introduce a library which I found in TopChal regarding drawing in the air with your bare finger. Actually, this project was not made recently, but it's quite ago, being like 5 years ago. Actually, this library is very fantastic. Who are interested in AR technology, I must say that you just go through this library. As you see on the screen, you can draw on a surface with your bare finger, and also you can apply 3D on that. Here we go, like that. So this is where I found the source code which is for this tutorial, actually drawing the air with the bare fingers. Actually this is related to the augmented reality technology, and it looked like a AR library. And how it does is they have the source code as well. I provide this link and the GitHub in the video description. You can find that. So what here does is I just was very enthusiastic to go through this. So it's about the immerse feature, and as usual, you know, this whoever have done before this air, this is about the session. First of all, they're initiating and then goes to the view data appear. It's about this horizontal and the session running in the whenever the app is get runs. And also then after having the rendering, which means the updated time, which means here they are going to focus on the center of the surface to identify whether there's any surface in order to draw the object. So then comes the rendering part, which is having the plane anchor, which is like a square, and they are adding the child to that. Then comes about this drawing thing, which is this here comes the world position in order to hit the plane test, which is whenever the user taps on the screen, it detects where the node or the plane on the physical world environment where it centers. And then comes the drawing part. This is about the position of the height and the size of the node. And then this is about a box, as a box type, and that's no good gets applied on the screen there. And then when the update is when the session runs, it will be like a virtual pin type. It means like you should finger on the surface like a pen as a drawing when you as if that you can you're going to trying to write or draw something else. So what it does after this is it detects the finger and the visual library, and then goes to the tap action, which is which recognize the points on the surface or else on the screen, and then found the bounding box on that image. And from there the rendering happens, which means like it's start performing the vision with means of like tracking the finger, and it makes a drawing kind of feature. So that's all in this AR kit, and it's about the future. And so you can go through this library, and I have tried something else with 3D and drawing as well. So let me show that as well. I was wondering what happens if I try to click on this draw and 3D. So I just click on the draw and try to do something else, which is like a pointing some points, or else draw something else, or just tap on some part. And then what I try to do is then I tried with a 3D. There is an option here like a 3D as well, as you see on the screen. And when I click that, I just want to see overall view what happens, like it's a 360-degree 3D view you can explore in the AR camera. So that's all in this video, and if you are interested, you just go through this library and the link. And thank you for watching, lads. Thank you very much.